Hey everybody, it's Kelly Acheson at stampinUp.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. So sometimes for my Wait What? Wednesday tip video, things just pop into my head, maybe as I'm struggling with something like I am tonight. So it's actually Friday night. I know this video goes live on Wednesday, but it's a Friday night. I'm home getting ready for my card buffet, and you can see right back here, I've got kind of a mess going on here right now. Just didn't take the time to clean up. And check out my flowers. I'm gonna grab those so you can see them. Look at these gorgeous flowers. So I have to show you this. This is mercury glass, you know, like our mercury glass acetate. It's very trendy right now. And I thought, oh my gosh, that's mercury glass. I got these from my team leader for having a fantastic year. I think we should all take time to stop and smell the roses. And I always do. Like, I will stop, walk back, and smell the flowers. I love smelling flowers. And they do smell beautiful. Okay, so the reason why I decided to pop on quick without being cleaned up, you know, I like to have things looking nice back here. At least I took a shower today. I am working with the Snowfall Accents Puff Paint, and I love this product. I'm going to show you how it works, but I ran into a little situation, and I thought I would share the situation with you so you don't end up in that situation. We're going to turn the camera around where I've got kind of a mess going on my desk right now. Not going to lie. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Hang tight. I wasn't telling stories when I said I've got kind of a mess going on here. So I'm getting ready for my card buffet, which is tomorrow. I'm making some cards, and I wanted to use my Snowfall Accents Puff Paint. Let me tell you, I had a heck of a time getting the lid off. Like, I could almost not get it off, and I almost had to go out to the garage and have Steve do it. But what I find is I'm losing strength in my hands, and that's been going on for quite a while. And I know a lot of you also suffer from arthritis, which makes it tricky. So I thought, boy, if I would have done a better job cleaning up this lid, I wouldn't be having these issues. So here's what I found is going on. There is all kinds of puff paint on my lid, and it's dried, and boy, does this dry like really firm. So I thought, I'm gonna stab myself. You know I am. That's how these things happen. But I'm just taking my pokey tool here, my take your pick tool, and I am scraping this off so that when I put my puff paint away this time, it's not gonna be all icky like this, so that the lid gets stuck and I have to go get Steve to open it up. So I just wanted to share that little tip with you. I am going to continue to get this cleaned out, but make sure you wipe off your bottle with a tissue when you're done using it so that you don't run into this problem. And that's probably a good tip for any type of product like this. But as long as we're here, I'm going to show you, in case you've missed this, you always want to shake this up really good when you're using it. And I have some of the pine boughs here from Beautiful Boughs die set, and I need to put some puff paint on them. So I, again, shake it up right before you use it, and I'm just going to dot these pine boughs with some of this puff paint so that it looks like there's snow on them. I'm doing this for 2 cards right now because I always make 1 sample for my bulletin board and 1 sample to go in the bucket for my card buffet. And we'll see how that works. Ooh, hang on, I'm getting stuck. So then you bring in your heat tool. And let's see if I can get some better lighting in here. I wasn't planning on making a video tonight, but sometimes that's just how these things go, right? And look at how that puffs up, and it looks like you've got snow on these. Isn't that cool? Yeah, and I'm probably going to add a little bit more. Oops, let me get out of the light so you can see what's going on here. Okay, puff paint is a product that is in our holiday mini catalog. You can go to my online store, stampinUp.com, click right up here. That'll take you to my blog where you're going to find an online ordering button in the right-hand column. use this host code if you would like to order from me. You can order anything, of course, but you're going to do a search in the little search bar for Snowfall Accents Puff Paint, and you're going to find this. Now, this is great not only for snow, but you can use it for, like, I've got my cup of Christmas out here. You could use it for like the frothiness on the top of a cappuccino. That would look cute here, or hot cocoa. What were some other ideas? Clouds. You can put clouds on your cards. This is just a really neat product. And then I don't have any puff paint on this, but here's another card that I made using the Peaceful Boughs stamp set and also the Beautiful Boughs die set. So yeah, this is a really cool one as long as I've got it out here. And I don't have this card put together yet, but this is how I'm working with it. I'm using this for a sympathy card. Maybe what I'll do is I will pause my video, finish up my card, and show you the finished product at the end in just a couple minutes. Hang tight. Okay, you guys, I got my card done. I'll show it to you, and then I'll show you how to make this on Facebook Live Sunday night. So make sure you check back with me. And there's all kinds of different uses for some of these sets that are in our holiday mini catalog that you may only think are for Christmas. This is a beautiful sympathy card, right? Yeah. Okay. So when you're done with your puff paint, take a tissue, wipe this all off nicely. I got this picked out of here pretty good. I hope you can see that. Can you see? Oh, let me get some good light on it. How about that? Yeah, I can't see. My phone stand is in the way. There we go. So I got that picked out pretty good with my Take Your Pick tool. This is an amazing little tool that I use for all kinds of stuff. But if you happen to run into that problem where you're finding that your lid is all caked up, this stuff is like cement too. It's really pretty firm, which is good because we know that it's not coming off our cards, right? But make sure I took a tissue and I did this on the inside of there, and I won't let that happen again because I don't want to run into that problem. There we go. Make sure you click up here to head over to my blog. You can place an order if you need anything, if you'd like to get your hands on this Snowfall Puff Accent or Snowfall Accents Puff Paint. Click down here to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You don't want to miss anything I have coming out. Make sure you check back with me on Sunday night. I am on Facebook at A Stamp Above - Your Creative Coach, live every Sunday night, 7 p.m. Central Time. And we're going to make this card. It's easy and fun. And I'll show you the inside. Yay! Okay, have a good one. Thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend it with me. Bye-bye.